Are you eager to embark on a new professional journey in Spain? Look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we will provide you with invaluable tips and strategies to navigate the Spanish job market successfully. Plus, discover how Patrique Mercier Recruitment, the leading recruiting agency in Europe, can help you secure the ideal job opportunity in Spain. The Spanish job market in 2023 offers a dynamic landscape filled with opportunities and challenges for job seekers. With a recovering economy and a favorable business environment, Spain has seen significant growth in various industries, creating a demand for skilled professionals. Several key industries are experiencing growth and driving the job market. The technology sector has emerged as a major player, with companies focusing on artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and software development. Renewable energy and sustainable practices have also gained momentum, leading to a surge in job openings within the green energy sector. Additionally, Spain's tourism industry continues to thrive, attracting a multitude of job opportunities in hospitality, travel agencies, and event management. While the Spanish job market presents promising prospects, there are challenges to consider. The competition for positions can be intense, particularly in popular cities like Madrid and Barcelona. Fluency in Spanish is often a prerequisite, as it is the primary language used in business operations. Furthermore, obtaining work permits and navigating bureaucratic procedures can be time-consuming for international job seekers. Despite the challenges, the Spanish job market offers a range of opportunities for those with the right skills and determination. With the growth of key industries and a resilient economy, Spain remains an attractive destination for professionals seeking new career prospects. When embarking on a career journey, it is essential to begin by identifying your career goals and assessing your skills. Self-assessment plays a crucial role in understanding your strengths, interests, and objectives, enabling you to make informed decisions about your professional path. Start by evaluating your strengths and weaknesses. Consider the skills and qualities that come naturally to you and bring you joy. Reflect on your passions, values, and long-term aspirations. This process will help you identify the types of roles and industries that align with your interests and bring you fulfillment. Next, focus on identifying transferable skills that you possess. These are skills that can be applied across various industries and roles. Examples of transferable skills include communication, problem-solving, teamwork, adaptability, and leadership. Recognizing and showcasing these skills will enhance your employability, not only in your current field but also in new sectors. When considering the Spanish job market, language proficiency, particularly in Spanish, is of utmost importance. Spanish is the primary language used in business operations in Spain, and fluency in the language opens doors to a wider range of opportunities. Employers highly value candidates who can communicate effectively in Spanish, as it demonstrates cultural understanding and facilitates collaboration with colleagues and clients. If you lack proficiency in Spanish, investing time and effort to learn the language can significantly enhance your employability in Spain. It shows your commitment to integrating into the local culture and increases your chances of securing job opportunities that require bilingualism. When searching for employment opportunities, conducting thorough job research is essential to ensure you find relevant and promising options. By utilizing various resources and strategies, you can maximize your chances of discovering the right job for you. Online job portals, such as LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor, are valuable tools for job research. These platforms provide a wide range of job listings across various industries and locations. Take advantage of their advanced search features to filter results based on your preferences, such as job title, location, and salary range. Additionally, leverage your professional networks on platforms like LinkedIn to explore connections, seek recommendations, and learn about hidden job opportunities. Company websites are another valuable source of information. Many organizations post their job openings directly on their websites. Visiting company career pages allows you to gain insights into the company culture, values, and specific job requirements. It also demonstrates your proactive approach and genuine interest in the organization when you apply directly through their website. In addition to online research, consider exploring local job fairs, networking events, and professional associations. Job fairs bring together multiple employers from various industries under one roof, providing an opportunity to network, make personal connections, and gather information about potential job openings. Networking events and professional associations offer avenues to connect with industry professionals, gain insights into specific fields, and tap into the hidden job market. When conducting job research, it's important to be organized and focused. Keep track of the positions you have applied for and maintain a record of important contacts and follow-ups. Set aside dedicated time for research and tailor your search based on your skills, interests, and career goals. By taking a proactive and systematic approach, you can efficiently navigate the job market and uncover opportunities that align with your aspirations. When applying for a job, your resume and cover letter are crucial tools to make a strong impression on potential employers. Crafting these documents thoughtfully and effectively can significantly increase your chances of standing out from the competition. To create an outstanding resume, tailor it to the specific job you're applying for. Highlight relevant skills and experiences that directly relate to the position. Carefully review the job description and incorporate keywords and phrases that align with your background. Focus on accomplishments and quantifiable results to demonstrate your impact in previous roles. Keep the resume concise, well-structured, and easy to read, ensuring that the most relevant information stands out. In today's globalized job market, showcasing cultural adaptability and international work experience can be a significant advantage. Highlight any experience you have living, working, or studying abroad, as it demonstrates your ability to thrive in diverse environments and work effectively with people from different cultures. Emphasize language proficiency, particularly if the job requires bilingualism or fluency in a specific language. When it comes to writing a compelling cover letter, personalize it for each application. Address the letter to the hiring manager whenever possible, and use a professional tone throughout. Grab the employer's attention from the beginning by showcasing your enthusiasm for the role and the company. Share specific examples of how your skills and experiences make you a strong fit for the position. Demonstrate your understanding of the company's goals and values and explain how you can contribute to their success. Keep the cover letter concise and focused, and proofread carefully to ensure there are no errors. Remember to customize your resume and cover letter for each application, highlighting the most relevant qualifications and experiences. Tailoring your documents, showcasing cultural adaptability, and writing a compelling cover letter will significantly enhance your chances of capturing employers' attention and securing the job you desire. The interview process is a critical stage in securing a job opportunity, and proper preparation can make all the difference. Whether you're facing virtual interviews or in-person meetings, navigating this process effectively requires careful planning and awareness of the Spanish job market dynamics. Firstly, prepare for different types of interviews, including virtual ones. Familiarize yourself with the virtual platform being used and test your audio and video settings beforehand. Dress professionally, just as you would for an in-person interview, and ensure you have a quiet and well-lit space. Practice maintaining eye contact and displaying confidence through the camera. Additionally, research the company thoroughly to understand its values, culture, and recent developments to better align your responses during the interview. Be prepared for common interview questions in the Spanish job market. These may include inquiries about your experience, strengths, weaknesses, and specific skills related to the position. Familiarize yourself with the STAR, situation, task, action, result, method to effectively structure your responses and provide concrete examples. Additionally, be prepared for questions related to your knowledge of Spanish culture, current events, and industry trends. Demonstrating cultural awareness and an understanding of the local market can set you apart from other candidates. Emphasize your enthusiasm for Spain throughout the interview process. Showcase your passion for the country, its culture, and your desire to contribute to the local job market. Highlight any experiences you have had in Spain, such as travel, study abroad programs, or previous work assignments, to demonstrate your familiarity and connection to the country. This enthusiasm can be a significant factor in employers' decision-making process, as it indicates your commitment to integrating into the local environment. In conclusion, successfully navigating the interview process in the Spanish job market requires adequate preparation. Prepare for different types of interviews, familiarize yourself with common interview questions, and emphasize cultural awareness and enthusiasm for Spain. By doing so, you can present yourself as a well-prepared and passionate candidate, increasing your chances of securing the job opportunity. Patrique Mercier Recruitment stands out as a leading recruiting agency in Europe, known for its expertise in connecting professionals with job opportunities in Spain. With their specialized focus on the Spanish job market, they have established themselves as a trusted partner for both job seekers and companies. One of the key advantages of partnering with Patrique Mercier Recruitment is their extensive network. They have built strong relationships with top-tier companies across various industries in Spain, allowing them to access exclusive job openings that may not be advertised elsewhere. This gives job seekers a competitive edge and increases their chances of finding the perfect match. Moreover, Patrique Mercier Recruitment's industry expertise is unparalleled. They have a deep understanding of the Spanish job market, including its trends, demands, and cultural nuances. This knowledge enables them to effectively assess candidates' skills and match them with the right opportunities. What sets Patrique Mercier Recruitment apart is their personalized approach. They take the time to understand the unique needs and aspirations of each candidate, ensuring a tailored and comprehensive job search experience. Their team of experienced recruiters provides guidance, support, and valuable insights throughout the process, helping candidates navigate the Spanish job market with confidence. In today's digital age, maximizing your online presence is crucial for job seekers looking to stand out in the competitive Spanish job market. By strategically leveraging various online platforms, you can enhance your professional brand and increase your visibility to potential employers. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is paramount. Ensure that your profile is complete, including a professional headshot, a compelling summary, and a detailed account of your work experience and education. Customize your profile URL to make it more easily shareable. Use relevant keywords throughout your profile to increase the chances of appearing in search results. Engage with relevant industry groups and share valuable content to showcase your expertise and build connections. Social media platforms such as Twitter and Instagram can also be utilized to build a professional online presence. Share industry-related news and insights, participate in relevant conversations, and follow key influencers and companies in your field. By consistently showcasing your knowledge and passion, you can attract the attention of employers and expand your network. Another effective way to maximize your online presence is by creating a portfolio or professional website. This platform allows you to showcase your skills, projects, and accomplishments in a visually appealing and organized manner. Include relevant work samples, testimonials, and client feedback to provide evidence of your capabilities. Ensure that your website is user-friendly and mobile responsive to accommodate all potential employers. Remember to maintain professionalism and consistency across all online platforms. Regularly update your profiles, engage with others, and be mindful of the content you share. By maximizing your online presence, you can significantly boost your visibility, credibility, and desirability as a candidate in the Spanish job market. Networking and building professional relationships are essential components of a successful job search in the Spanish job market. By actively engaging with industry events, associations, and personal connections, you can expand your network and uncover valuable opportunities. Participating in industry events, conferences, and seminars allows you to connect with professionals from various companies and sectors. These gatherings provide a platform to exchange ideas, learn about emerging trends, and establish meaningful connections. Actively engage in conversations, ask questions, and follow up with individuals you meet to nurture those relationships. Joining professional associations and online communities specific to your field can also be highly beneficial. These platforms offer opportunities to connect with like-minded professionals, access industry-specific resources, and stay updated on relevant news and job opportunities. Engage in discussions, share your expertise, and proactively reach out to potential mentors or collaborators. Leveraging personal connections and referrals can uncover hidden job opportunities that may not be publicly advertised. Reach out to friends, colleagues, and acquaintances who work in your desired industry or have connections in Spain. Inform them of your job search and ask for any advice or leads they may have. Personal referrals can provide a significant advantage in the hiring process, as employers often value recommendations from trusted sources. To find a job in Spain, remember the key strategies: tailor your resume, showcase language proficiency, and conduct effective job research. Persevere through the process, remaining adaptable and maintaining a positive mindset. Explore networking opportunities, attend job fairs, and join professional associations. Remember, success takes time, so stay determined and focused on your goals. If you need personalized assistance, consider reaching out to Patrique Mercier Recruitment. With their expertise and extensive network, they can guide you towards securing your dream job in Spain. Your journey to success starts with preparation, resilience, and seeking the right support along the way.